Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about cities. So first, I want you to think about this. Where do you prefer to live? The city or the countryside? Why? Please think about this before your class. Now, today we're going to be talking about hedging. What do you think this is? Well, hedging is to limit or restrict. So first of all, I want you to please read these sentences. Do the sentences express something you can or you cannot prove to be true? Please pause the video while you read and choose. Okay, great. So in this case, these sentences are talking about something that I cannot prove to be true. It seems that most people enjoy life in cities. It is believed that fresh air improves the quality of life. There's no evidence that proves younger people prefer to live alone. It would appear that most people prefer to live in a rural area. There's no question that La Paz is the highest capital in the world. It is known that pollution causes many diseases. Very good. Now, I want you to please think about this. What verbs do you see? What follows each verb? Do you see any pattern? Pause the video while you think about this. Okay, great. So to do hedging, we're going to be using some verbs. For example, seem is believed, there's no evidence, would appear, there's no question, it's known. And if you see after these verbs, we have a dot clause, right? So we're going to start with the hedging part that is just saying that we cannot prove this, right? There is not a strong evidence. And then we're going to continue with the dot clause. Let's continue, guys. Now, please notice that we use seem, appear, and suggest to distance yourself from facts because, like we mentioned before, you cannot really prove this. If I want to distance myself even more, I can use would. Look at the examples. It appears that most people enjoy life in cities. It would appear that most people enjoy life in cities. Now, we can also use the passive voice. For example, we think, recognize, believe, report, know. And in this case, we are sharing another person's opinion. It is believed that fresh air improves the quality of life. It is known that pollution causes many diseases. So again, this is not what I think, it's what other people said, right? Also, I can use noun phrases to show your attitude towards the reliability of a statement. There is no evidence that proves younger people prefer to live alone. There's no question that La Paz is the highest capital in the world. So when you're using noun phrases, you can have some for strong evidence, like little or no doubt, little or no discussion. When the evidence is not as strong, some evidence, some discussion, some doubt, because there's still some discussion there. And if this is unreliable, I can say there is little evidence, there's no evidence because the information is not that trustworthy. So guys, we're going to go ahead and practice. I want you to please go to your workbook page number 12. Here, you're going to complete the sentences by choosing two possible answers from the box. Letter A says, it appears or it seems that the population of many modern industrialized cities is beginning to decline. B. There is doubt that in the future we will have to take radical action to control traffic congestion in our cities. We have doubt. What do you think we can use? That's right, we're going to be using hardly any and little. So the order here is not important, okay? Pause the video to the rest. Okay, great. We're going to check this exercise during our class. Now continue in your workbook page 12, but this time exercise 2. I want you to rewrite the sentences using the words in parentheses. Let's look at the example. Smoking can lead to cancer. No doubt. So we're going to start with there is no doubt that smoking can lead to cancer. Let's do letter B together. Scientists in many countries believe that climate change is the greatest challenge facing our society. And we need to use widely. What is the verb we have there? Believe, right? So since I don't think this, I'm telling what somebody else thinks or their opinion, I will start with passive voice, right? It is widely believed that climate change is the greatest challenge facing our society. Very good. pause the video to do the other. Okay, great, guys. We're going to share this during class, and I will see you then. Bye bye.